Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace toilet seat. This one looks pretty much good, but I still want to take it off and put on a nice one. So first you just take off some of the hinges. Open this. Put your hand at the bottom there, because it extends all the way down. And actually, since you have a faster tool, you could possibly use that one. Let's see if this works. Possibly not a good idea, but to make it go faster. Then it comes out, you can see this is what it is. The same thing with the other one. So, I prefer using this one, just quick. Goes quick. Take it off. That's the old one. This is gonna go in the trash.
The old one?
Yeah. My hands are not
Old
very
one.
clean. Now I'm gonna spray this all-purpose cleaner. Kill some germs there. Of course, we have to clean areas that are wrong. Wipe it up.
It's really looking nice.
Yep. So,
God.
push this into yes, just to get all the uses. Okay. Pause.
Action.
Alright guys, so now this is the new one I'm gonna replace. You can see it looks pretty nice. Basically adjusts itself, self-closes itself. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'll take the washers, put the nuts through the washers, and then this one goes through these hinges here, like this, then it goes here, and this one goes at the bottom, under, and I just put that one now. I'll use this tool because it's kind of better. I don't want to tighten down yet. Make sure you like how it's looking before you continue. Okay. The rest you can use your hands to do. But let me tighten this one a little more. Oops, that's too much. The rest you want to tighten it with your hands. You don't want to be too much tight. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, there it is. So right here. Just make sure it balances on both sides. It's not balanced yet. Just make sure it's balanced very nicely. Okay.
Is it balanced?
It is. Okay, now
Wow.
this one perfectly with my hands, not too much, because later on I might want to replace with another one. So you can see this one, then just push it down like this. Then when I open it, If you want to close it, ta-da, no slumps. It just goes down by itself slowly.
And that's the end of our video.